Pastor Apollo Kibuloy is running for Senator of the Republic of the Philippines. Kasi gusto niya maging part ng solusyon ng ating bansa. Ang focus po niya, bakit siya tumakbo? Dahil sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas nating mahal. It means yung focus ng kanyang platform of government is God-centered, Philippine-centered, and Filipino-centered na platform, lalo na sa legislation bilang isang senador. And ang priority po niya, number one, is yung religious freedom. Naniwala po si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy that religious freedom is inviolable. It means kailangan ang government po natin should secure the holy grounds against state forces.